Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today I have a Johnny's Chicago dog here. Here's what it looks like. It looks really good. I'm gonna put the here's what it looks like. I'm not even gonna put ketchup on it. I'm just gonna eat the gherkin first. The Super Bowl's going on right now. It's a halftime show with Rihanna. Oh no. They're really playing it, aren't they? Oh. This is good. Probably some of the best hot dogs in the valley. This hot dog is just delicious. I love the baked bun. It really fits the hot dog well and all the ingredients on the Chicago hot dog. I have to give it like a 9.5, maybe a 9.6 or 9.7. I'll stick with a 9.6 of my review, and you heard it, my homies.